Hi guys, so today we'll be making 6 fruit juices. If you don't know that entrepreneur also does, a little bit of food, then you need to check this video out. Where I ate Chinese food for the first time, you see my reaction and everything. And then you check out this video where I did what I ordered versus what I made. I made a barbecue catfish and then I ordered one and compared them together. So today it is all about fruit juices. We'll be trying out 6 fruit juices according to this book, The Vivacious Lady, authored by RAWSHEEDAH Saheed. So yeah, Saheed Akorede RAWSHEEDAH is the same thing. So yeah, and of which I was opportune to buy the story of the book. You find me here somewhere around here. So yeah, I'm proud of that. The book is about intimacy, about sex, how to just strengthen your marriage. So it is good for Muslim women, and then Muslim women either married or single. It will prepare you ahead for what you should expect and how to do and all of that. So yeah, if you're interested in this book, you can check the description for how to get your copy for just 5,000 naira. But have it in mind that I am doing giveaway for 4 books. So if you would like to benefit from this giveaway, then all you need to do is comment what you think this book will do for you. And if I'm so convinced, sorry, don't confuse me. If I'm so convinced, then I'll take you on to the next stage to actually getting the book. So yeah, on page 155 of the book, there is how to make Zara's juicy fruit drinks. So yeah, we're about to do something juicy. Zara is a character in the book. So of course the recipe is put together by the author as inspired by the Creative Herbalist. It is there. The juices are inspired by the Creative Herbalist. Have that in mind. So these are the fruit juices we'll be looking at today, and I'll be telling you how they taste, if you should try them out, or if you should just dump them or something like that. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, these are the ingredients. I mean, what's it called? The materials, the fruits to use. You can see them. These are the fruits to use. This is coffee powder. Cost me about 444 naira, but from the mall. Then this is dates, fresh dates. You see the price. This is cinnamon. This is cinnamon, coconut. This is ginger. This is pineapple, and this is watermelon. There is another one. We have cocoa powder, but I don't know why I deliberately did not get that, because the day I made it, I used it to make chocolate, what's it called, cake or something like that. Yeah, I don't like the taste or something. It's giving me a reaction. I don't even know, but there is cocoa powder also. We'll be using, some we might use this for one, and then we'll not use the second one, and we use this, we don't use this. So that is how it's going to be. Yeah, so let me prepare these and cut them out, and then we get started in the game. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like after shopping them, after cutting them, watching and shopping. Then I'll be using watermelon, in 3 places, so that's why I have like 3 there. I'll just pick one for each, and then the pineapple and the coconut is all set. Yeah, I should wash the dates. Yeah, I should wash it. Yeah. So guys, this is the first one. It is a combination of pineapple, watermelon, dates, and then cinnamon. For the cinnamon, I'm not sure if I should be using powder, so you can try the cinnamon stick, but it is until I try it that will know if it is very okay. So this is it, blending all up. You blend till it is very smooth. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. The first one. Don't forget I sieved it, okay? I sieved it out. Guys, this is the second one. It has coconut, it has coffee, and then dates. This one is the one that should have the cocoa powder, but no. So let's blend it and see what